In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and edit the contact list on Wix. To get started, log into your Wix account and head to your main dashboard. This is the central area where you manage your site and access different tools. So once you're here, you'll be able to quickly navigate to the section you need. At the top right of the dashboard, you'll see a search bar. This search feature is one of the fastest ways to find specific tools in Wix, especially if you don't want to browse through multiple menus. Click into that search bar and type in Contact. As you begin typing, Wix will show matching results related to contacts and customer management. From the search results, look for Contact List and click on it. This will take you directly to the area where all of your saved contacts are stored. Once the page loads, you'll see an overview of your contacts. This is where you can review the people connected to your site, and it's useful if you want to keep your contact information organized or make quick updates. To work with an individual contact, move your cursor over the contact you want to manage. When you hover over that entry, you'll be able to access more actions for that person. Look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu, and click on it. After clicking the three dots, a menu will appear with several options for that contact. From here, you may see options such as editing the contact, managing their role, or deleting the contact. If you want to update their information, choose the Edit option. If you need to adjust permissions or access related to that contact, use Manage Role. And if the contact is no longer needed, you can select Delete, but make sure you're certain before removing someone, since deleting contacts can affect how you manage your records. That's all it takes to access and edit your contact list on Wix. The main thing to remember is that the search bar at the top right makes the process much faster, and the three-dot menu next to each contact gives you quick control over the actions available for that person. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to find your contacts, review them, and make changes with ease right from your Wix dashboard.